Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply effects to your GIF on the Momento application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on a picture you would like to edit, and after that you should slide to the right side of the screen down below until you find the effects button. Here you can find a bunch of preset options such as chromatic, colorful, blur, pixelate, CRT, black and white, and VHS. So if you want to apply any of these, you can make adjustments or adjust the effect by the help of this slide below the effects. So after you have applied it and adjusted, tap on the done button down below and then click on the button save, then select the format and quality and save it as a GIF, video or live photo. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.